Do you want to speak Spanish faster? Then stop wasting your time on the wrong things. In this video, we're sharing 6 simple tips that can help you. Yes, with learning more efficiently, speaking with confidence, and making your whole experience of learning Spanish a whole lot easier. From learning powerful patterns to using words you already know. So grab a drink and get comfy. Vamos! Tip 1. One of the best ways to start speaking Spanish faster is to speak Spanish from day one and out loud. And we can do that by shadowing. Basically, I'm talking, and she won't stop copying me. That's shadowing. It simply means listening to a native Spanish speaker and repeating what they say almost immediately. You're not trying to translate into English. You're training your brain to think in Spanish. It might feel a little bit strange at first, but it helps to improve your pronunciation, listening skills, accent, and even your confidence when speaking out loud. And here's the important part. Don't worry if you don't understand every single word. At first, just focus on copying the sounds, the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the natural flow of the language. For example, if you hear, Hola, ¿cómo estás? You simply repeat, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes, and you don't pause to think. Automatically your English brain says to you, Hola means hello, como means... Nope, just copy what you hear. No overthinking. The more you do it, the more natural Spanish starts to feel. And you can do it almost anywhere. Watching YouTube, listening to podcasts, listening to music, watching your favourite TV shows. So, if you want to learn Spanish faster, or should we say smarter, don't just study Spanish, shadow it! Tip 2. Tip 2 is something that completely changes the way you learn Spanish.
Is it loads of vocabulary?
Nope. It's pattern. If I want to speak Spanish, I need to learn thousands of words. Or you could stop making your life difficult. What do you mean? Well, if you want to speak Spanish faster, you don't need to study harder. You just need to study smarter. Ditch the flashcards. So, instead of learning lists of vocabulary, you're creating your very own sentences with simple patterns. So let's take a look. We'll start with a very useful one. It tells us desire, using to want, querer. Quiero means I want. Take a look. Quiero comer. I want to eat. The pattern is quiero plus infinitive verb. What is an infinitive verb? It is the basic form of the verb, like comer, to eat, viajar, to travel, or estudiar, to study. Let's continue with some more examples so you can see how easy it is to create your very own sentences. All you do is swap out the infinitive verb and you could have hundreds of new sentences. Quiero viajar. I want to travel. Quiero aprender español. I want to learn Spanish. Quiero dormir. I want to sleep. Quiero hablar contigo. I want to talk with you. Do you see the pattern? Quiero plus infinitive verb. One word, one pattern, and you have endless sentences. Let's take a look at another one. Puedo, which means I can. Puedo hablar español. I can speak Spanish. The pattern is puedo plus infinitive verb. Puedo cocinar. I can cook. Puedo conducir. I can drive. Puedo ayudar. I can help. Puedo nadar. I can swim. Now you can talk about your abilities. Let's take a look at one more pattern. It is necesito plus infinitive verb. Necesito means I need. Let's create some sentences. Necesito trabajar. I need to work. Necesito estudiar. I need to study. Necesito ayudar. I need to help. Necesito dormir. I need to sleep. This is so useful for everyday real life conversations. Necesito plus infinitive verb. So just by learning 3 patterns, we can already talk about what we want, what we can do, what we need, and the best part is you didn't memorize hundreds of sentences. These are just a few examples of patterns. Yes, there are so many that you can learn that can help you start speaking Spanish right away. Check out our patterns video at the end of the video for more. Tip 3! It might surprise you, but it actually helps your pronunciation massively. Learn your Spanish alphabet! Once you know it, you can pronounce almost any words you see. You'll be surprised at how many people don't even think of this. Yes, it's true. If you want to brush up on your Spanish alphabet, check out our alphabet song. Once you know it, your confidence will automatically boost and you'll be able to speak way more confidently. Tip 4! Are you ready for a real confidence booster? Cognates! These are words that look similar in English and Spanish and often mean the same thing, which means you already know way more Spanish than you think you do. Let's prove it. Okay, we will start with words ending in ly in English. They often become mente in Spanish. Naturally, naturalmente. Normally, normalmente. Absolutely, absolutamente. Generally, generalmente. Once again, you're learning the pattern. Exactly. That's the power of cognates. Here are a few more examples. Let's see if you can guess them. Importante. Important. Problema. Problem. Animal. Animal. Hospital. Hospital. Diferente. Different. That's basically English with an accent. But be careful, not everything that looks similar means the same thing. False friends. Sensible. It does not mean sensible. It means sensitive. What about embarazada? It doesn't mean embarrassed. It means pregnant. You see, that could get awkward fast. It really could. So, always double check words that look too similar. Tip 5. This tip is one of the fastest ways to start speaking Spanish. Power verbs. Instead of trying to memorize hundreds of random words, focus on a few high-frequency verbs that you can use again and again. Think of sentence patterns as the framework, and power verbs are what bring those patterns to life. Exactly. Verbs are the action words that make sentences work. And once you know a handful of power verbs, you can create loads of useful sentences. Like tener, to have, querer, to want, poder, to be able to, can, estar or ser, to be, gustar, to like, necesitar, to need, ir, to go. Twin tip, learn your power verbs. Tip 6. Now here is the best tip of all. It's simple. Speak. Just start speaking Spanish from day 1. Don't be worried to make mistakes. That's the point. It's important to learn from your mistakes, and you're not going to do that if you don't speak. I mean, a lot of people want to wait until they feel ready to speak out loud. But that never really happens, does it? Even if it's simple sentences like quiero café, I want coffee, or voy a aprender español, I'm going to learn Spanish. You don't need to be perfect. Nobody is. You just need to start speaking. Mistakes aren't failures.
No.
They're part of learning.
Yes, so speak often and build confidence as you go.
And that's how you start speaking Spanish faster. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Check out our other channels on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram as Twintastic Learning and Reflected Genetics. And we will see you next time.
Ciao for now!